From the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar dipped a slight 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair gained 1.1% in the last session after rising as much as 1.7% during the session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
The British pound bounced against a tepid dollar ahead of high-stakes events this week that include US elections and a Bank of England interest rate decision. Sterling rose after its longest string of weekly losses in nearly 6 years. Oil prices climbed nearly 3% on OPEC Plus's decision to delay plans to increase output by a month, while the market braced for a critical week in which Americans will elect a new president. Brent futures were up 2.8%. US stock indexes slipped in choppy trading as investors braced for a pivotal week for global markets in which Americans will elect a new president and the Federal Reserve is likely to cut its benchmark policy rate.
And now let's review some of today's world economic events.
Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 3:30 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 3:35 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI at 15 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes will be released at 23:50 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 3:30 GMT. The French industrial output at 7:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.